Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a TikTok zone in CapCut apps. So you can tap on your project and select your videos or photos you like to edit. For example, I'm going to open my project, and to add a TikTok zone you are just going to click on its audio and select a zone, and you can select the TikTok original zone. Alright, so before you can evaporate your zone in CapCut and appears here. Alright, that's how you can add a TikTok zone. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.